Hey MonkeyBoo. Alright guys, we got a really cool video. MonkeyBoo is actually going to meet and hang out with his CuddleClone. And I'll tell you guys all about it, but yes, we have a clone of MonkeyBoo. Boo's not real sure about him. He's dragging him over. He's going to check him out. Alright, we also have one of these we're giving away on December 31st. I'll show you that one in a minute, but we're going to let Boo get to know his. He was really scared of it the first time. He says it looks just like me. Look. Look, Boo, he's got a tail. See his tail? Hey. What'd you hit me for? Look, y'all can snuggle together. How about that? Hey, Boo. Say hey. Hey. You checking him out? He's got eyes just like you, Boo. Oh, now you're being, he's okay. Here, let him pet you. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Boo. Hey. Hey, Boo. High five. Oh, you holding his hand? You gonna hold his hand? Did he touch Daddy too? Oh, look. Look, Boo. He's rubbing my hand. Okay, so I was telling you guys, we have another one here. Give you a quick peek in the box. I'll put a link to that video to enter the contest in the description. But yeah, we're giving away a MonkeyBoo CuddleClone. And there's also on Boo's website, you can go and purchase a CuddleClone of your own. TheMonkeyBoo.com. Ain't that right, Boo? Did I come down here and see him? He's checking out me. Look, he's checking me out too. Okay, come down here. Good boy. He wants to say hey. Hey. Hey, you're being shy to him. You're being shy. He likes you. Okay, so I think we should name him BooTo, spelled B-O-O-T-O. BooTo. You like that, Boo? BooTo. So can I hang out and be your friend? Please? Oh, he's loving on you. Yeah. And we have a pretty cool announcement. We decided to call you Eduardo, but formerly Edward in Canada. Your brother Alberto actually has already ordered you a MonkeyBoo CuddleClone. So Eduardo in Canada, Ontario, you know who you are. You actually have one of these on the way. It's already been ordered and made and is fixing to be sent to you. Pretty cool, huh? Merry Christmas a few days late. Ain't that right, Boo? So Boo's very relaxed with him. Will you snuggle with him? Can he lay with Boo? Can he lay with Boo and snuggle? Please. Alright, so what do you guys think? They did a pretty good job. It really looks like Boo. It's a little bigger than him. It's got the same cute hands. Hey. And Boo warmed up to it pretty good. That's pretty comfortable right there. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good boy, Boo. As you can see, I actually have a diaper on Boo for this video because sometimes when Boo gets scared, he will poop. Just in case. I don't think he did, though. He did pretty good. All right. Will you shake his hand? Okay, not too fast. He's like, will you shake my hand, please? Shake his hand. Shake my hand. Good boy. Shake his hand too. We'll do it all together. Look. All together. One. Good boy. Yay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the contest in the link below. And we will see you guys in the next video. Give me a kiss, Boo. He's got a kiss for everybody. He's got a kiss for Boo. Boo said, no, not yet you don't. I still love you, Boo. Boo too loves Boo. Don't smack him. Be nice.